How y'all doing? How y'all doing today, YouTube? I got my power pulley, and if you ain't got a choice, skills to win, to make you some, they'll hold that right there, and we'll be lifting the engine and pulling the oil pan off from underneath, and we'll be placing our pistons in and our bearings, and I will be right back with you. See you. And for the put pistons in, you will need a hose to put the screw with a tread part in on the piston, which I'll be showing you, and the installer kit. So I'll be back with you. Back again, as you can see, engine lift. Now I'm about to get the oil pan off, and I'll be back with y'all. As you can see, oil pan off. Now we'll be trying to get into installing the piston. Be right back with you. Right now what you see is piston installer. I'm about to add some old oil that I'm gonna just grease the piston installer tool up, cut the hose line, put them on the treads or the piston on, and I'll be back with you to install the piston. These brand new pistons, by the way, I just wanted to put them on. They came out the old ones until I ordered them. Now they about to go in there, so ain't need no cleaning on them. I'll be back with y'all. The oil ring, these two pressure rings, make sure you got that. So you catch the zoom in, they different. Make sure this side, it should have a mark over here on these somewhere, and it's the standard side. And don't forget to have a filler gauge to put it in the cylinder wall to measure the gap. So you make sure you see right there, that's just scrape down the oil bag in this combustible chamber, but back down to the oil pan. But this the top one, first one, so I'm gonna install this one next. I'll be back with you. Back again, got them installed in. About to oil them up, lubricate this up, they're installing piston and the sleeves as well, and get to it. Back again, and one more thing I forgot to tell y'all, make sure it's facing towards the engine with a radiator, where they mark it. That mark it right there. And make sure all your pistons rings is placed in its position, and get the number off it so you don't know what cylinder sleeve in, and make sure this side pointing towards your whatever side it's supposed to pointing towards. But as long as you got the number off it on the side of wherever the number will be at on yours, put that in the right cylinder hole. I'll be back. Back again. Went without you on this one, but as you see that one, you make sure that piston mark going in, you put the piston tube around it, you tighten it up, you add the wrench, you get through it, and you push it down, either with a hammer, but I'm gonna do it with some rubber, but make sure you have a t-shirt tied around it, or get you a mileage. But I'll be right back with y'all. All three in. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I can't put the fourth one in because my other compression ring that goes to the top, to the first one, not the second, but the first one, I got to go over to another place, and while I store my stuff and get my other piston ring out its kit. So I'm going to do that there, and I will show you how to do the bearings tomorrow. If it be so, if I got time. Stay tuned though. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And I want to show you something else. I'm gonna show you another trick too. If you can't right now, install a kit to. I'm sure a little trick with that with a flat edge screwdriver, but anyway, right now, I'm gonna put the oil pan on. But when you wanna take your little hoses off and you can't reach them, and they just so get you some little noses, come right off. The other one it falls off and it's straighten up. Now I'm about to, excuse me with the camera, but I'm about to go ahead and put the oil pan on, and I will be showing you how to put the bearings on. And yeah, my bad. I got the what I did, I was moving too quick. I think that, my bad. I think piston 4 is piston 2, so I got to take piston 4, I'll put it right there and put piston 4 that's in the box with the one with the replacement compression ring that's missing. Put it in the 4. So, that being said, see ya, like, share, comment.